Pamangkin mo, aming Ama, itong dalangin na aming inaalay. Bawiin mo ang pusong pagkal, yakapin mo kami ng iyong pagmamahal. Di akalaing tulad ko'y mamahalin, ngunit pag-ibig na wagas ang iyong hatid. Hindi kami karapat-dapat, ngunit buhay mo ay iyong inalay. Sa kabila ng
as we celebrate this 30th anniversary, ang number 30 po is a cycle of completion. There is a cycle of completion, ibig sabihin, tapos na yung first 30 years, there is another year for every one of us, and let us all get excited. Ang number 30 sa spiritual traditions, 30 is seen as a number of completion or fulfillment, making the end of the cycle and the beginning of another new cycle. Ang challenge ko po sa bawat isa, let us remember tonight, we are coming here together, is not just to celebrate the past, but this is also a call to action for the future. Matuwa tayo, mag-celebrate tayo, mag-thanksgiving, lahat ng ginawa ni Lord. Pero humanda ka, may mas malaking aksyon na mangyayari after this.
Sa